Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet on the mat, and arms long by your side. Feel the shoulder and pelvic girdle firmly anchored to the ground, and press the palms into the mat for extra stability. Straighten your right leg up toward the sky, toes pointed. Keep your trunk stable as the lifted leg makes small circles. Begin by moving your leg across the body first, then circling down, around, and back up to start position. Keep the hips grounded as the leg floats in the hip socket, and continue across and around, and across and around, and across and around, and across and around. Now circle the opposite direction. Reach out and around and up, out, around, and up, out, around, and up, out, around, and up. Keep drawing small circles with control from the powerhouse. And now lower the leg back down, knee bent, and take the left leg up. And engaging your core, circle the left leg across and around, across and around, across and around, across and around, and last time around, and change directions. Take your left leg out and around and up, out, around, and up, out and around and up, out, around, and up, and last time around and up. Bring your leg down with both knees bent. Bring your knees into your chest and place your right hand on your right ankle, the left hand on your right knee, and stretch the left leg straight up 90 degrees. Inhale, lift the head, neck, and shoulders into C curve. Exhale, pull your navel deep into the spine. Inhale, switch legs and hand positions. Exhale, stretch the right leg straight up. Bend the left knee in with the left hand on the left ankle and the right hand on the left knee. Keep your navel anchored to the mat. Inhale, switch legs and hands, and exhale the left leg straight up. And inhale, switch, exhale the right leg up. Don't let the hips wobble side to side. And left leg up, switch right leg up, and left leg up, switch right leg up. Two more. Left leg up, switch right leg up, and last time, left leg up, switch right leg up. Now bring your feet back to the mat with the knees bent. Lie with the knees drawn into your chest. Curl your head and shoulders off the mat, hands holding your shins, elbows wide. Exhale, pull your navel deep into the spine. Inhale deeply and stretch the legs up to 90 degrees and the arms back by the ears without letting your head move away from your chest. Exhale, draw your knees into your chest and circle the arms around to pull them in. Keep your torso firmly anchored into the mat. And again, inhale, stretch the body long, legs up, arms reaching back by the ears. Exhale, bend your knees, circle the arms around and in. And inhale the legs up and arms reach back. Exhale, pull the knees in as the arms circle around. And last time, inhale, stretch out. Exhale, pull both knees in. Now take a breath and on the exhale, roll up to sitting. Lie on your belly with your forehead resting on your hands, palms down. Bend your knees as close to 90 degrees as possible with the legs a little wider than hip width apart. Flex your ankles and keep your heels together with the toes apart. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, scoop your abdominals, tuck your buttocks under, and squeeze the heels together. Inhale and slowly release the pressure between the heels, but keep them together. Relax the shoulders and engage the powerhouse, buttocks and back thighs, to prevent overarching of the low back. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, activate your core, squeeze your heels together. Inhale and slowly release the tension between the heels, keeping them glued together. And again, Inhale to prepare. Exhale, pull the navel in and squeeze the heels. Inhale, release the tension, relax your shoulders. Exhale, press the heels together. Inhale, slowly release, and then lower your legs. Lie on your belly with your legs straight, a little wider than hip width. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, bend your right knee and gently kick twice, first pointing the toes and then flexing the heel. Inhale, straighten the leg back to the floor. Exhale, bend your left knee and pulsing gently, point the toes, then flex the heel. Inhale, lower your leg. Now relax your shoulders and neck. Keep your abdominals contracted with your pubic bone pressing into the mat to maintain pelvic stability. If your knees bother you while pulsing, avoid that kicking action of the legs. And one more time, inhale to prepare. Exhale, bend the right knee, point the toes, flex the heel. Inhale, lower your leg. Exhale, bend your left knee and point the toes, flex the heel. Inhale and lower back to starting position. Lie on your belly, legs hip width and toes pointing. Place your hands under your forehead. To prepare, inhale, drawing the navel to the spine. Exhale, keep the pelvis stable and stretch the right leg off the floor, but do not lift too high. Inhale, lower the leg back to the mat. Exhale, stretch the left leg off the floor. Inhale and lower your leg. And exhale, reach the right leg up. Inhale and lower. Exhale, reach the left leg up. Inhale and lower your leg. Exhale, extend the right leg up. Inhale and lower. Exhale, extend the left leg. Inhale and lower the leg. And exhale, right leg up. Inhale and lower. Exhale the left leg up. Inhale and lower. And last time, exhale, stretch the right leg up. Inhale and lower. Exhale, stretch the left leg up. Inhale and lower the leg back down. Lie on your right side. Keep your shoulders, hips, and top leg aligned. Bend your right knee to maintain your balance. Bend your elbow to rest on the mat with your head to rest on your hand. The top arm is bent with the hand in front of the chest. Inhale and lift the top leg up, keeping the hips stacked and shoulders anchored. Exhale, lower the leg, resisting gravity and stretching the leg long. Inhale and lift. Exhale and press the leg back down. Keep your upper body long and lifted as you take your leg up. And take your leg only as high as you can with it staying straight. Don't let the body roll forward. Inhale, take the leg up. Exhale, lower back down. Inhale, up, and exhale, stretch it back down. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, pull it down. And last time, inhale, stretch the leg up, and exhale, pull the leg back down. Now roll over on your left side, bend your left knee. Align your shoulders, hips, and top leg with your top hand in front of the chest for stability. Inhale, lift the top leg up. Exhale, press the leg down away from the torso, lengthening from the hip. Inhale and lift. Exhale and lower back down. Inhale, stretch it up. Exhale, press it back down. Inhale, up, and exhale, down. And last time, inhale, pull your leg up, and exhale, press it down. Now roll back to your right side. Lie on your right side, with your feet slightly ahead of the hips and the hips and rib cage aligned. Inhale, lift the top leg and bring the leg forward, ankle flexed, and pulse twice. Bring the leg back with the toes pointed and pulse twice. Keep your hips anchored and stacked one atop the other. Keep your torso stable and your rib cage lifted. Only the top leg moves, so start with a small range of movement. Inhale, the leg forward and pulse. Exhale, back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse, forward and pulse, back and pulse, and last time, forward and pulse, back and pulse, and lower the leg and change sides. Roll onto your left side, bring your feet slightly in front of the hips, and bend your left knee. Rest your head on your hand. Place your top arm with the hand in front of the chest. Inhale, lift the top leg, forward and pulse. Exhale the leg back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. And forward and pulse, back and pulse, forward and pulse, back and pulse. And last time, forward and pulse, back and pulse. And lower the top leg down to return to start position. Roll to your right side. Stay in side lying position with the right leg bent for stability. To prepare, inhale, lift the top leg, toes pointing. Exhale and begin to circle the leg from the hip in a forward motion for 5 circles forward. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Keep your circles small and keep your body perfectly still. And now, the opposite direction, circling back, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and lower the leg back down. Use your powerhouse to stabilize your trunk and keep the top leg long and lengthening from the hip. Roll to your left side, bend your left knee. And to prepare, inhale, lift your top leg, toes pointing. Exhale and circle the leg forward for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And now reverse the direction, circling back for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And then lower your leg back to the floor.